And here's my closing piece, which is sort of like a congestion of my poem. It runs, that's why it's congestion. The opposite of confusion. This was written in 1985. There was no beginning. Then man created his almighty gods in place of what was clearly there before. And then there was plenty of nonsense. And out of this nonsense came a greater darkness than that which was ever. It wasn't in his surroundings, but in his bad, dark, egotistic sense of humor. And then his gods laughed, for he laughed. He was his gods. Soon his laughter became confusion, utter confusion. He got lost in it, a sad realm of commercialism, of competition, and of corruption, a reality without honesty, a gambler's illusion. And soon he came to an ancient conclusion. His life was not his to spoil, but Mother Nature's to resurrect. Soon he lay alone on a black crystal shore on the other side of infinity. No beginning, no end, wanting to return home, and he died happy ever after. Thank you very much for your patience.